How to book an appointment for Scotia Bank. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to book an appointment for Scotia Bank. In order to book an appointment for Scotia Bank, first of all log in into your online banking account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and while you're on this page, go ahead and select the more icon from the bottom right hand side corner. On the other page, it's going to take you to this page where you have to go ahead and select the option that says contact us. When you select contact us, it's going to take you to this page where you'll be able to see list of articles and information. So scroll down a bit and go to the section that says meet an advisor. Under it, you can go ahead and select book or manage an appointment. When you do that, you can just go ahead and select your banking type, and then you can need to go ahead and select what you actually need help with, and then select the reason for contacting them or setting an appointment, and then select all of these information. And once you've done that, click the continue button. Once again, you need to provide in all of these information regarding booking an appointment, so accordingly select the reason and then go ahead and do that. So click the continue button, and here you'll need to go ahead and select what sort of method you like, whether it's a phone call or in person. So if you want to do it in person, then select that and click the continue button. After that, you need to select your location, which is actually convenient for you, and when you are sure about the location, scroll down right to the bottom and then click the continue button. Now you need to select the date or time when you actually want to schedule a date and time, so select that. Now also you need to select the appointment time, and then you'll need to go through all of these information or the information that you've provided and click the continue button. As you've done that, review the information that you've done and make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click the submit button. Once you've done that, your appointment has been confirmed, and accordingly you need to be on time, and that's how you can set an appointment on Scotia Bank. So that's how you can book an appointment. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.